name is Mrs. Alexander, and today we'll be reviewing the I and the A in unaccented syllables. Say these words after me. Divine, divide, brigade. Great. Now what sound did you hear those words? Did you hear an is sound in those words? Let's take a look at them. The vowel in the discovery words is pronounced I. The vowel I in all of these words is in an open, unaccented syllable. Vowels E, O, and U in an open, unaccented syllable will be half as long, pronounced as long, but the vowel won't be as strong. However, the vowel I will be naughty. He will say I, and we'll code it with a breve. Let's take a look at some more. So in this first word here, we're going to divide between, we have a vowel, consonant, vowel here. We're going to divide right there between that vowel and that first consonant. So we know the accent's already on the second syllable. And we know the I is naughty when it's not in an accented syllable and it appears to be open. We think it should be long, but it's not. It's going to say I. So we're going to mark it with a breve. What kind of syllable is the next one, though? Did you say vowel, consonant, E? Good job. So let's read this first syllable. Ready? Di. Now read the second syllable. Lute. Now let's read it together with the accent. Dilute. Good job. Let's look at the next word. We've got another vowel, consonant, vowel here. We're going to divide it right there. And the accent we see is on the second syllable, so that I is going to be naughty. We'll mark it with a breve. What kind of syllable is the next one? That's correct. It's closed. Mark it with a breve as well. All right, let's read the first syllable. Di, and the second one, rect. Now we read it with the accent. Direct. Good job. Look at the next word here. We're going to divide that between the I and the V. We know that this one is not the accented syllable, so that I will be naughty. It's going to mark it with a breve. What kind of syllable is the next one? Did you say vowel, R syllable? You're correct. Mark it with an arc and a circumflex. If we read that first syllable, let's do it together. Di. And the second syllable, vert. Now let's read it with the accent. Divert. Great job. Now say these words after me. Like. Sofa. Alone. Tuba. What do you hear in these words? Did you hear an sound? Let's take a look at these. The vowel A in the discovery words is pronounced The vowel A in all of these words is in an open, unaccented syllable. So the vowel A will be pronounced in an open, unaccented syllable, and we'll code it with a dot. Let's take a look at some more words. All right, we're going to divide here. We've got a vowel, consonant, vowel. Let's divide it right there between that first vowel and that consonant. We already know this one, the syllable is accented. So let's go ahead and look at our first syllable. Remember, it's in the unaccented syllable, and it's making a different sound. So we're going to put a dot there to remind us that it says What kind of syllable is this one? Did you say vowel, consonant, E? Good job. Let's read the first syllable. Remember that A is saying Puh. Okay, let's read the second syllable. Raid. All right, now let's read it with the accent. Parade. Good job. Now let's go to the next word. We've got a vowel, consonant E here again. Divide it right there. We know which syllable is accented, so that means that A is making a funny sound. We're going to code it with a dot. Now we know it says What kind of syllable is the second one? It's closed. Code it with a brief. So let's read the first syllable part. Read it. K. Read the second syllable. Det. Now let's read it with the accent. Cadet. Good job. All right, let's come down to this last word here. We've got another vowel, consonant, and here we have a vowel pair, A-Y. So we're going to go ahead and divide it. We know this is the accented syllable, so this A is going to make the sound. This is a vowel pair, so we're going to underline it and cross out that Y, because with the Y you don't hear the sound, it's silent. But the A is long, so we added a macron there. Say this first syllable, the second syllable, way. Now let's say it with the accent, away. Great job. Let's talk about what we did today. So remember, in an open, unaccented syllable, the vowel I will be naughty, and it will say I, so we code it with a brief. In an open, unaccented syllable, the vowel A will be pronounced and we'll code it with the dot. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.